So the video tag is fine if you just want to play one file.
But for adaptive streaming, it's not enough, right?
Exactly. Media Source Extensions, or MSE, give JavaScript a backdoor into the video buffer. That's how HLS and DASH actually work under the hood.
So what happens without MSE?
The browser just downloads the MP4 in a straight line. No switching, no recovery if the network slows down.
Like a faucet that only runs at one speed. Either it works or it stalls.
Correct. MSE lets you decide which packets to pour in and when. Think of 3 parts. Media source is the manager.
Source buffers are the storage bins where we drop chunks.
And the video tag is the TV that plays what's in those bins.
So JavaScript acts like the delivery person, constantly topping up the bins.
Now, in docs folder of the repo that you've downloaded, you can find a file called module1 lesson 8 code snippet.
Yep, I can see it.
Great. We will need it for a next demonstration.
I see. Can we actually play with this inside our app?
Yes. Open the MP4 tab in our app. In DevTools, paste a snippet that creates a media source, adds a source buffer, and fetches the Big Buck Bunny sample from env.mp4.
What happens after we append the segment?
You'll see about 8 seconds of video buffered. If autoplay is blocked, just set video to mute before calling play. That way, the demo runs smoothly.
And we can confirm it by checking sb-buffered, right?
Exactly. That proves we've manually pushed chunks into the buffer. Now, try swapping the fetch URL to env.clearhls.
That's an M3U8 playlist, not raw media, so appending should fail.
Correct. You'll see an error because MSE only accepts FMP4 chunks, not manifests. Switch back to env.mp4, and Playback works again.
So the takeaway is, MSE is very low level. It needs real audio and video fragments, not higher-level playlists. So MSE is the secret that lets us control what goes into the video buffer.
Yes, and that control is what makes adaptive playback possible in browsers.
And libraries like HLS and DASH handle all that work for us.
That's right. Once you see source buffers in action, you know how every web player really feeds video to the screen.